How can we create better products more quickly? The current trial and error approach has limitations. What if we could design products with AI? Collaborating with AI, Narnia Labs is creating a virtual world where complex design problems can be solved. Narnia Labs offers a generative design solution based on deep learning, wherein AI generates various design options during product planning and conceptual design phases. It predicts various engineering performance parameters in real time, optimizes designs according to target performance, and recommends customized designs. Narnia Labs breaks away from traditional product development methods and introduces a new design paradigm that enables faster development of superior products with AI. Using our top-notch AI expertise, specialized in manufacturing, and practical knowledge gained through collaboration with leading manufacturing companies. We'll begin with manufacturing, healthcare, architecture, the metaverse, and other fields as we work to connect all areas that require planning and design. A world where everyone can easily collaborate with AI and create the best products. Open the door to Narnia and discover the new world. Narnia Labs.